Is your UTV performance not at the level you expected?
Do you experience a loss of power on acceleration or when getting on and off the throttle?
Are your clutch belts wearing out prematurely or breaking far too often? If you've modified your vehicle for increased horsepower or you're running larger wheels and tires, these symptoms are a common occurrence, an indication that your clutch is not operating at its optimum level. While developing the PowerVision CX, we experienced these issues as well. For us to ensure that performance gains were achieved from our PowerVision CX tunes, we set out to develop Dynojet clutch kits from the ground up. Testing and validation are imperative. All clutches are developed on our in-house Dynojet dyno and field tested, ensuring the end user gets the maximum performance out of their vehicle no matter what the riding condition. Our kits contain fully adjustable arms with magnetic weights, balanced springs, and a redesigned helix which, when appropriately paired, can provide increased top speed, improved acceleration, as well as lowered belt and clutch temps. Dynojet clutch kits. Get more info at dynojet.com.